today's free analytic daily share, we'll be dealing with how you can change the way that Splunk natively returns back logs and fields. Normally, it will return logs stacked on top of each other, and the fields will be listed left to right. But what if you have lots and lots of fields? And it's really painful to see. I'm going to give an example of that. We're going to change that default orientation. I'm using the rest command. You can use pipe rest, and you can start calling some of your config files. If you're familiar with the way that Splunk stores dashboards, you'll know that there's a folder called data UI views, and inside are a bunch of XML files, and that is where your dashboards are stored. And so this is a REST API that pulls back all the information about a dashboard. You can see here's the author, the app that it runs in, who can change permissions. And the thing is, one, there's 4,763 results, which we could control with a head or some other thing, but look how many fields there are going left to right. They just keep on going. They go and they go. And that becomes really difficult to try to find the fields you want to look for. So I'm going to show you a little cool command. I'm just going to go grab head 1. That means I'm going to go grab the first result. I'm going to type the transpose. When I run this, it's going to bring back one value, but it's going to flip it. So now all the columns go up and down in the values. And so you're basically got 2 rows. If I would head 2, would actually get the results of row 1, then you have row 2, and that would be your second. So basically your fields will populate left, your logs, different logs will populate left to right, and the values go up and down. And so anyway, the transpose makes this so much easier to read and find the stuff. Instead of trying to keep scrolling, you can take a really long log, and now it's still 2 pages, but it's all related to every field I want to see. It becomes a whole lot easier to read that thing. I can see now its ID, I can see its label, what dashboard, what server it resides on, the version, all that information becomes so much easier to find thanks to doing this transpose command. It makes viewing much easier. Hope this helps. Hope this helps you move from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja, and keep coming back each day for the daily analytics share.